Guess the sacred caves in Islam. Places of refuge, revelation, and reflection. I am a place high on a hill, where peace is sought, and time stands still. Hidden from the city's busy roar, I'm known for something divine and pure. A place where an angel's voice was heard, delivering the Almighty's word. In the month of Ramadan, this event took place, bringing wisdom to the human race. Near the city of the sacred mosque I reside, where pilgrims and seekers find me worldwide. On the mountain of light, they seek my name, a place in history I forever claim. In solitude, a prophet came to pray, until one fateful, momentous day. Revelation dawned, history was made, in this humble, quiet, hidden shade. Guess the place where this happened. Cave Hira. High above Mecca, in secrecy I lie, a place where trust and friendship tie. During Hijrah, I played my part, a cave that showed a spider's art. I sheltered too from the Quraysh's chase, with a web and dove as signs of grace. I'm hidden away on a mountain's side, where 2 dear companions did safely hide. When enemies came searching near, a spider's web made it clear, no one had entered here. During a time of danger and fear, a prophet and friend found refuge here. This cave protected them from sight. It stands for loyalty, courage, and light. Can you name this place? Cave Thor. In a cave, they found divine rest, youth who followed Allah's test. The sun rose and set by Allah's might, guiding them with morning light. I am mentioned in a surah by name, where youth sought refuge without shame. They prayed for mercy, rest, and grace, and slept for years in this hidden place. A dog lay with them at the door, guarding the sleepers as they snore. Allah turned them left and right, in a cave hidden from sight. Those inside me slept for years, safe from harm and free of fears. Allah preserved them day and night, as a sign of His guiding light. Where am I? The cave of Ashab al-Kahf.